Today I was scrolling through Facebook ads library, reviewing some stores, and I had a brilliant idea for a video, where we would choose a product page and do a complete rework. And this is the chosen one. My goal with this video is not to discredit people's work, but rather give suggestions and improvements that you can apply on your store. And more importantly, a user-friendly tutorial, since you may be facing these issues as well. But before the practice, let's understand what makes a great product page. In this case, I'll be reviewing Everstride's Compression Socks product page, since it's a very well-rounded product page. Basically, there are 4 pillars that makes a great product page. The product-related elements like photos, descriptions, and benefits. The branding of your store, like who you are and what's your purpose, what's your mission. Design and UX, and where I focus the most, since I am an expert on those areas. How is your typography, your choice for buttons, your choice for colors, primary, secondary colors, and so on. And the copy. So how are you selling your product, how you are marketing your product, okay? And how can you make your customer's life more enjoyable, more fun, or more relevant, okay? So we'll be looking at Everest right now to understand how they apply it.
So let's analyze this one. The first thing that comes to mind is UX, design and branding. They're very well branded for women, so they use a lot of pink colors, as you can see here, okay? They also have very good product pictures. You can see here, it shows up what's their product about, okay? So all the comfort things that are customers has a lot of questions in buying this type of product, okay? The side chart is very explanatory as well, okay? It tells you how to measure your call, how to measure your product, and how to choose it, and it's very readily available for the customer as well when we first get into the website, okay? Now if he scrolls down, okay, to see other things, he also has all the information about refunds, about guarantees here, okay, and also the refunds, product and shipping information. So what's the product about, the material, the care instructions, all of that, as well as the shipping, okay? Again, copy related benefits, very good, okay? This is a very good section as well, showing the benefits of the product, how to make the life more enjoyable. So reduce the swelling, you can see here, very good ad. All the comfort and relief, their benefits, okay, against other brands, all of that, lot of reviews, lot of social proofs. If the customer doesn't find the questions here, okay, if it's not answered here, we have the facts section, okay, the FAQ, and then it may be helpful here, okay? So then again, some ratings and branding again, okay? So very well designed site, 10 out of 10, taking all the needed information for brand, copy, product, and UX and design, okay? You can see on mobile, this is very good as well, okay? All responsive, all working, nothing broken. Definitely this will turn a lot of visitors into buyers, okay? And now we have this one, which will be the store that we'll work on. So this is wrist molding. They do changes to custom watches, okay? They customize watch, they sell customized watches. So this is the product page. First, this header is totally out of place. We have here a few links, a Trustpilot link, and the choice of color is not good, I would say, at least for the background color. This is not good for background color. The fonts are not the best as well. As you can see here, I can't clearly see the price. I can't clearly see the add to cart, right? When I click into the store, I need to click at many stuff, and it show, like, you know. And we also have the GPay button, so it kind of gets me a bit confused of where I should click on, okay? And then since they are selling custom made watches, I doubt that people will buy 2 watches from the same model, okay? Other Of course, they can buy it, let's say, from him and his brother, but I would remove this quantity selector as well, because people doesn't use that anymore. Okay, then we have some reviews. This video could be here in the gallery, okay, instead of in the description, and he could have tabs, okay, like they are doing here. Much better if they use tabs so it doesn't clutter the page. We have Klarna options here, expanding our payment options with Klarna. This is not needed in my opinion. We could have something like some badges, like what they accept as payments. I can show that later. This section is very big. These reviews are not very well designed, I would say. It's good, it's fine. They have a lot of reviews, as you can see. They are making sales, but I would say that it could be better. Okay. Then we have a guarantee, refund information here. This could be somewhere here, okay, in the description tab, maybe another tab here for refunds. Then recognition they are getting, their values, more reviews. Okay, so this is a lot. There's a lot of stuff here that can take the customer attention out of the product that you are selling and diverting it to other products. I don't think this is cool. Okay, and then you have more reviews, an FAQ section with shipping here. This shipping information also could be here by the side of description, so it's something that we can work on. And then another about us section, and then related products. Very good. Then we have a subscription mailing list, and then again the logo and the information about the brand. Cool. This is not so bad. I've seen worse stores, but we can definitely work on this one. And we'll be going now to the Shopify product page so we can take a look on this. We're building a brand new store. So here we are. This is a brand new store. We work on this product as a model, exactly the same product that's here. Okay. Now the first thing that we do on this new store is let's install a few apps. Okay. So the first app is the Trust Badges Bear. Conversion Bear Trust Badges. So this one, it's free. It will bring you the custom badges, okay, for MasterCard, Visa, payment badges. This is very good. I always have it on my stores. And the second one is the Trustoo product reviews app. Okay, I like it because it's free and it's easy to use. So install this one as well. Okay, we'll configure this later. I'm just adding it now because we'll use it in the future. Very good. Both were already installed. Now let's install a few components on the theme. Okay, so the first thing we do here, edit code. Okay, I'll be installing, we can see here in this website, I'll be installing this. Okay, this type of price display because it shows us how much we're saving, the percentage of saves and all of that. And I'll also be installing the sticky add to cart. Okay, so basically this button here to help us in navigation, especially on mobile. Okay, so you can have the button right at the bottom. Very good. So basically I have those, I'll leave those links on the description. Okay, so it becomes easier for you to install it. First is this snippet. Okay, I'll add a new snippet. The file name should be price discount snippet. Price discount snippet. Done. Paste all the code. Okay, I'll leave in the description, don't worry. Very good. Now in the main product liquid, we should copy and paste it. Main product liquid. There we go. Let me see where we install it. This is optional, okay? I'll just install it because they are good snippets. This is where we go. Type select, styles, SKU, name price, name title. Yeah, we can put here after price, okay? So we include the whole title, type price, and then type price discount. There we go, all correctly configured. Very good. We just copy paste, okay? After price, you see the bracket and the comma. You just press enter and Ctrl V, okay? Paste the whole snippet of code that you copied from the tutorial. So main product liquid, okay? This is what you do. In the main product liquid, after render title, you should also add this snippet, okay? So in the same file, let's search for render. Render price, render title, render price, yeah, there we go. And price discount, render price discount snippet, okay? After this div, or better, before the when price, okay? Add the price snippet discount, and then in the product.json, we should also modify the block order, okay? So basically, we include the price discount here. This line here in the block order for the product.json. So let's go to the product.json. Let's save this. Product.json. Let me just. Here it is. It's under templates. Okay, product.json, and here block order. You add price discount. Okay, over price. Very good. Click on save, and we are done. Now sticky added to carts, much more easier. Okay. You just create a new snippet, a new section, sorry. So click on sections, add a new section. Sticky added to cart dot liquid. Sorry. Sticky added to cart dot liquid. Very good. Now we just replace anything with this. Hit the button save. Okay. Save this one as well. Price discount snippet.liquid. I just forgot it. Very good. Now let's click on Customise, and let's see if this is enabled already in the product page. So default product page. Price with discount. There we go. We already have it. We can delete the previous price. Now we have the price with discount. Okay. And let's also add the sticky added to cart. There it is. The sticky added to cart is already here. We'll customize it later. Okay. So for now, let's go back to the theme. Let's take a look on it. Okay. So we have a Trustpilot. Let's just start working on the product page already then. So let's go to the product page here. Okay. So the first thing here, since it's pretty new, I'll be changing the header. Okay, I'll be adding the logo because it changes everything. So let's take a look. Where the logo? Here it is. Logo. Wrist molding. This is a very good brand name, by the way. Okay. Instead of welcome to our store, let's rename it to limited promotions, 20% off. Let me just do some 2-year warranties. 2-year warranty is better. Let's hit save. Now let's change the color schemes, okay? So basically the color schemes, now it's time for it. Let's go to the color schemes and let's change it to background color. Okay, so we'll create a few of them, okay? Let's add a new scheme here. Let's create a background color of, let's see, where is it? Okay, so the first color is the greeny color that they use, okay? There it is. I don't like it that much, but anyways, it is what it is. I will leave white, okay, for the text. Button background will be white as well. Outline button will be white as well, okay? Good. Now let's create another color scheme. Now the background will be the secondary color that they use, which is this one, yeah? Text will keep black, everything will be black. Okay, let's save this one. And let's add another scheme with white. Maybe I can change this one, but I will only change the button color, okay? And also the outline button. Good, very good. So let's change it out now, the typography. So I've chosen 10 or cents, okay? I think this fits their brand, which is very luxury related, so 10 or cents is a good choice for that. Great. And the font body, well, actually I was thinking about the logo or something like that. You can always ask ChatGPT, okay? Whenever you are in doubt, you can just ask something like, I need fonts for a luxury watches brand for an e-commerce store. Can you help me with the fonts used in title and fonts used in body? So this is the prompt, okay? And then he'll give you set of options: Garamond, Dido, okay, player free display, Cormont, Garamond. And anyways, it will give you a lot of suggestions, okay? It's always good to take a look at that as well, because it can help you. Otherwise, you just stick to what you like the most. In this case, I guess Roboto is a good one, okay? Roboto, I'll take a look at these other ones like Garamond for title. Let's see, Roboto, regular, okay? Let's select Garamond. If we have it, there it is, Garamond. Yeah, you can always come back to it later. I'll use 10 cents. Okay, very good. Now that we have set the brand colors and the fonts, let's go back to the product page. So this is the color scheme that we'll use for the announcement bar. Very good. It looks better already. Then the header. I'll test 2 colors in the header, okay? First color will be this one. Our secondary color will be this one. Oh my bad, this one. Well, to be honest, both of them fit well. We'll leave with this one for now. We can always change it later. Let me hit the button to save here. Let's go to the products, default product. Very good. For the menu, I'll come back here just to set the navigation, okay? And let me just close this one. The navigation will be home, all products or collections, who are we, contact, and our blog. Okay, so let's do it. Main menu, home, all our products. We can do something like all pieces or all watches as well. Okay, this also works well. Our collections, this is good. Our collections. Make sure to leave it in uppercase here. Good, our collections. About us. I'll just link it to the page contact, okay? I'm not focusing on that now. And our blog, the same, I'll just link it to the contact page because I'm focusing on design only, on the front page only. So great, if we update this, we'll have the menu ready. Okay, very good. Yeah, it may take a while. Let's just wait because it may take a while to update. Okay, so now we go to the, let's see how it is. Yes, on mobile. Okay, good, it's good. Now let's go to the product section, the one that I like the most. We have some Trustpilot review links, column-based reviews. Okay, this might be good in the product page, but let's first focus on adding stuff like title, add to cart button above the folder mobile, Trustpilot, review stars, variant picker, and so on. Okay, so these products, let's first configure the price with discount. Okay, let's set the color that they are using. Okay, good. Savings font color, it can be white. I think it's a good combination of colors. Now another thing that I see some people doing is removing the quantity selector. Okay, basically because, well, it clutters the product page. If the customer wants to add, he just clicks on add to cart 2 times and he'll do it. Okay. And another thing that I also see people doing is show dynamic checkout button. They remove it because, well, it can be very, if they click on dynamic checkout, yes, they will go to the checkout page faster, but you may lose the opportunity if they are wanting to add more products. Okay, so I always keep it turned off. Now for the description itself, I'll remove it. We'll redo it all from the scratch. The share also, I'll remove it. And now let's do it all from the scratch on a collapsible row. Okay, so this is how I do the description without clogging up the page. And here's the deal, this is a very good thing that we do. Okay, so when you write something like this, okay, product.description, it will automatically understand that you are referring to the description, and it will display the description here instead of on any file. Okay, and when you open this up, when you collapse when you expand the tab, it will show all the product description. Okay, so this is pretty cool as well. Another thing that we need to work on here is more on the product information component. So desktop Media size, this is large. I would set it as medium. Okay, I prefer it. Constrain media to screen height, leave it plus. Okay, media fit, I'll keep it original. And here is the thing, thumbnails carousel is the way to go. Okay, much better than anything else. Or you could leave it as thumbnails. Okay, this is cool as well. I prefer the thumbnails carousel. When you click on mobile, you have the option to scroll and see the other products. Okay, very good. Good. Now this is something that we need to change as well. Always keep, so we are making it round. Okay, every image we need to make this image round as well, not only the image but also the add to cart button right here. Okay, so let's do it now. When you go to buttons, let's set a corner radius of, let's force 10, let's try 20. Better, this is much better corner radius. This is another thing that we need to add for the description, by the way. I like to leave this at none. Save, good. Now we duplicate. There's a mistake here. This fonts works better in uppercase, so leave everything in uppercase. And they say something about refund here, 100% guarantee, two-year guarantee basically, right? So I'll put this one here, 2-year guarantee. Okay. If your item is damaged, very good. Okay, let me just see something here on the Roboto. Let me see if I can do it a bit lighter, see if it works. Yeah, this is good. Two-year guarantee, yeah, much better now, much lighter. Let's hit the button save, and let's start adding more stuff here to the product page. So the next thing is the shipping and product information. Okay, product information is already here, refunds are already here. Now we add the shipping information. Okay, I'll just copy paste this from Everstride, although it's a different website, it's a different business, of course, but the purpose is only to make stuff well designed. So just change this to modding, wrist modding. Okay, now we have it much more cleaner product page. Okay, we have much more cleaner CTA page. Very good. We are also missing here the product review. Okay, the review stars. I'll also check if the add to cart button is above the fold on mobile, which is not, and we might need it's maybe because of this. So what I will need to do here is decrease the top padding considerably. Okay, very good. Since this video, okay, and this image is bigger than the others, this is pushing the design to be like this, right? So this is something we might need to work. Here it is, the thumbnails, good. I will hide it. Make sure that they can zoom in. Okay. Cool. We can, in case like that, we can also use the fill option here for media fit. Okay, so it becomes all set together. Very good. Now let's see description, 2 years guarantee, shipping information. What are we missing here? I know that we are missing something. Okay, the add to cart full above the folder mobile. I'll make this also the add to cart here. I'll make it uppercase. Okay, for that let me just save this, click on edit default theme content, search for add to cart, change it to add to cart. Okay, make it uppercase so it becomes more clear that it's a CTA for adding to cart. Great, this works. Band hover classic Jubilee. Okay, this might need some CSS to work, so in that case I'll click here view, let me click on the product page, inspect, background color should be the same of this thing. Okay, very good, now it works. And then I'll copy all of this and paste here on product information custom CSS. Okay, and I'll save it. Good. Okay, what I'll notice is that I also have the product variants here on lowercase. I can also change that. So I'll change this one. Let's see where we change it. Classic, Jubilee, rubber. Let's see if it's better somehow. Yeah. Yeah, I would say so. Description, 2 years guarantee, shipping information. Okay. Now let's work on the trust, on the review stars. So basically, let's go to Trustoo, sorry, Trustoo reviews. English, continue. Okay, continue. Let's go here. Okay, we enabled already. Click save. Let me refresh the page. Continue. Okay, activate review widget. Already there. Very good. Now we have the review stars here and the customer's review right at the end. Okay, if you want to change the place where it is, you can just select here the review widget. Okay, and it will change where it is. So this is good as well, because I can set where it will be. Okay, now I'll write a review just to make it just to have a review here and fill the stars. So let's go to the page where we are displaying the info. Okay, let's write a review. Very good. It fits perfectly. This is the review. Review 2. Submit review. Okay, this is a very good review app. You also get you can encourage customers to leave a review with a coupon code. Okay, much better. Now we have a review there. Oh, I need to change the top padding, by the way. Let's change it to 20 and 20. I can change it later. To be honest, I'd like to leave it like 40, 40. I don't know how it will go on mobile. Well, we can leave that as it is. Okay. Now about the add to cart above the fold. In this case, since we have this type of image, okay, I could make it square images, okay, but since I didn't make, we can have this button right here. Okay, this button right here will also get in the place of the add to cart, which will replace the same purpose. Okay, so product page, we're almost ready to go. Very good. We now need the trust badges, okay, and that's what we're gonna enable right now. Trust badges. Let's go there. What I like to enable is only the payment icons. So I select up to 4 icons to place here below the add to cart button. First we enable it. Okay, I don't like to leave any type of texts, so I don't show the header. And here on the badge style, you can leave original, card, mono, or mono card. I like card, okay, and original. I always select small for both, okay. I think it fits better. I can select it here, like he plays with Klarna as well, so we'll select Klarna, and I'll select also PayPal. It pays with Google as well. Let me see here again. Klarna, Google Pay, MasterCard. Yeah. MasterCard, Visa, and Pay, and Apple Pay. Everybody has it, so this is good. Let's check this out. Okay. There it is. So we also have the add to cart icons here as well. Ready to go to the next phase. We have the customer's reviews. Now we will start adding all the sections related to his branding, to his copy, and so on. Okay, so what I thought about is adding a copy related section, how to make their leaves more enjoyable. Of course, I'm not an expert in watches, okay, so I'll do my best to make something here. Let's go. Sections. Image with text. I guess that's this one. We have a button here. I don't want any buttons, so the first thing that I do here is I remove the button. Okay, image with text. Very good. Now let's do it. His first section is about Klarna. I don't feel this is needed because we already have the Klarna icon here, which is very helpful, and replace all the purpose of this section. What I see as the first thing here could be something like a section talking about the watch. Okay, so I was thinking about something like how to make your quality, your life better. I don't know. Let me see this. How we can do this. Let's see. Iconic custom made timepiece. Very good. This could be something cool that we can work on. Iconic custom made timepiece. Okay. Now let's add an image, and he uses this section 1. We can use this image for this purpose. Okay, so the image height, you can change it. I always like to leave it at small. Okay, so make sure also to use an image that fits into this rectangle, and on mobile this is how it will look like. Custom made timepiece. We might need to do some changes in the CSS as well, because you see the paddings. The padding is very big on the sides. I don't like it, so we might need to change that. This desktop content position, I'll leave it at top. Content alignment center, right or left. Okay. Content layout, overlap or no overlap. I prefer this one, no overlap. Okay. And that's it. Let's see if I can do some changes to it. So let's go to mobile. Here's the deal. Okay, we have a big padding right here, and this is something that I'll try to work on to remove. Here it is, padding. Boom, boom. Okay. What if we put like then px? It works, or 5px. I'll leave it 10 or 20. Let's see if it doesn't broke on PC. Oh no. So I can leave it 20. Yeah, much better. Just need to find it. Here it is. I'll just copy all of this and paste in the custom CSS section. Okay, that's how you do further adjustments. Very good. I think that in this case we could let on the image as the second, okay, because we have an image here, and then we're gonna have a second image here. Okay, if we go full screen, that's how it will look like. Very good. Now we just duplicate this, since we already have all the configurations set up, and we change it to be image first. Okay, so we are like wrapping one section after another. So this one will do this section, wrist molding on Oracle time. Okay, now the photo can be a bit troublesome to work with, but let's try to do our best here. This is the photo, right? I guess we could use something like this, talking about wrist molding. So the second one is a brand related recognition. Okay, cool. And the text is cool. Let's say something like we are being recognized. Cool. Recognize it for work. I want to make it smaller, like something like that. We recognize it for work, recognize it for work. Very good. Okay. Cool. Let me see if I can do some kind of padding here. Maybe 60 here, 60 here as well to make it a bit more. Oh yeah, much better now. just leaving all of them with the same padding. 30 here, 30 there. Okay, we can. It's either 32 or 28. Hit the button save. Now let's add it again. Let's duplicate it. And we'll talk about our values and core drivers. Cool. Quality and value. Or core drivers. Maybe that's better. This is something that I was looking for. Okay, so let me put everything smaller here. Quality and let me see value. Or core values. Oops, I'm just realizing that I didn't do it wrongly. Quality and value are our core drivers. Best value to our customers unless we don't. Okay. Cool, let's change the text, the image. Image second again. Cool. And well, I guess we can do a section about the guarantees as well, since this is something they are relying a lot on. So better to put this maybe here. Let's do a section about the guarantees. So 100% guarantee, 2-year guarantees. Okay. Just change the order here. Very good. Now let's put the image first here. Here the image seconds. We need to swap all of this, and here image first. Okay. Iconic made custom timepiece. Okay, small. And let's change the size of it as well. So this is the image they use for the guarantee section. Here's the one that I need to change. Iconic custom made timepiece, 102-year guarantees, recognized for work or core drivers. Okay, what we can do here also to make it better could be changing the colors, okay, of the sections. So we put like one section like this, and we also need to change the container color scheme. Okay, so one section like this, one section like that, one section like this, one section like that. And this is, I guess this is what I'll be doing now, just to make it cooler. Okay, now I'll need to make it equal both the top and the bottom padding. Okay, this is what I'll be doing. Okay, cool. Let's see it on mobile. So limited 2 years. This is good. I really like the first page here. add to cart, iconic custom-made timepiece, 100 years guarantees, recognized for work or core drivers, and then customer reviews. Okay, in this case I'll also add a related products, email subscribe, and then the footer. Okay, so cool, very good. Let's go to the footer. So first let me see, where is this subscribe to your email section at all? Email sign up, maybe? I don't know why we have two of these. Show email sign up. Oh, that makes sense. Okay, let's see this. So the footer, let's add some blocks here. The best thing is quick links, okay? Brand information as well. And you can edit the code here. We will do that. Let's also change trust badge widgets, okay? So conversions. I like to put this at the end. And we can also add an image like a logo, the text, and so on. Let's see how he's doing it. I'll just copy whatever he's doing. In this case, logo, quick text, okay, quick links, and collections. Okay, so let's go for it. I'll add the trust badge separately. Okay, so it shows in the bottom. Brand information, let's edit this code here. Brand information, our mission and description to make the watch of your dreams come to life. Okay, keeping in mind that the home page is the same because I'm not focusing on that. Okay, so here is our mission section. Quick links, I'll change that by another menu. Footer menu, yeah, edit. Let's do another menu here. So their links are return policy, privacy policy, return policy, return policy, return policy, privacy policy, our blog, and contact. Cool. I'll send everything to the home page because I'm not focusing on that today. And also popular collections. Let's create a new menu, popular collections. All our collections. GMT or staff's favorites, and custom Seiko mods. Cool. Two menus working. Let's add it now. The quick links here, headline. Yeah, it can be quick links. And another one, which is popular collections. Popular collections. Okay, cool. Now the color scheme can be different here, maybe this one. Or maybe this one. Yeah, I think I'll leave the green because it can break the type of colors here. Okay, so we were using already the other colors, and then we are using green, which is good. Now hit the button save. Let's see it on mobile. It's working very well. We have the trust badges at the bottom, so all cool. What I can do is maybe this. Yeah, looks good. And that's it. Let me see if I'm missing something. Email subscribe. Where's the email? Yeah, we're missing the email. Yeah, I didn't like this one there. And I might need to change that with CSS, by the way. So I will be doing that. Now, email sign up. What's the title? Your next creation. Is your next creation the watch of your dream? Is it? I'm not sure. And we can place something like subscribe to mailing list to find out. Very good. This is cool. And since we're doing all the titles in uppercase, I'll also be doing this. Is your next creation the watch of your dreams? And of course, I'll make it small. Okay, email form. I guess that this one needs to be edited through here. So if we go to, I guess it's inputs, corner radius, let's leave it 20 px. Yes, okay. Let's see, media, corner radius are also put 20. Cool. Why everything's cornered? Well, it's a popular trend now. Everything is is fitting this way. Okay, there is a study behind it. Okay, I can do a video about it, but well, it makes the website looks more modern. Okay, so let's now take a look on it. Let's do a comparison between the two. Okay. First, the header and the product page. So this is how we did it. This is how it's done. Okay, very different, especially by this header. This header is so big, but if we scroll down, we have the description here at the side. Okay, we have the 2-year guarantee, the shipping information, all of that, things that are hidden here. Okay, or not specifically displayed, so the information is not displayed in the front of the customer. When we go here, okay, so we're removing this, the play with Klarna, we're removing this as well. This is a very big section that's taking a lot of the information. We're replacing by iconic custom-made timepiece. We're doing more emphasis on the guarantees as they are doing as well. The reviews are removed. We moved the section here, okay, so it fits better. Oops. Also the 100% guarantee. Okay, we're changing that. The recognition they are getting from the market. Okay, so we're also displaying that. Their values, okay, core drivers, and so on. And then the customer review. I think this is a bit too cluttered. Okay, not needed at all. Maybe this fact is something that we could apply there as well. This is really good. Okay, how much the shipping costs, all of that. Is there any sort of insurance for my order? Can I customize my order? So these things should be up here. Okay, somewhere here. in the shipping information in our website maybe. Okay, so basically here, and also the description, there's a lot of uh, bold text, okay, which can be bad visually saying. However, I see this much better. Okay, and tell me what did you think about it? Did it help you? Did it help give you any ideas of how you can apply these things on your website? And please give me a feedback, like and subscribe and comment. How did it help you? What did you like the most about this review? What did you like the most about this rework and this redesign? Okay, thank you.